So, a little breakdown on the Tuffy console. This old girl, she has had a rough, what's she, middle-aged? So, I'm going to give us a little quick teardown update. Woo, rough. Even broke a bolt. Oh, rusty. Hey, but the guy that glues the badge, props. Still got little trays inside. Stereo hole. All the stories I can tell you about what I've had inside me. Only 2 straps are left, or one strap there. And then strap that was up here on the top. Part of me not even sure that's what those straps were for. This bad boy we had duct taped. Fixes everything. Broken bolt head. Lock. This is 1/2 of the cable that holds the lid. To be taking this down to Miller's powder coating at Lilburn, Georgia, and we're gonna make her look supreme again. Guaranteed. Later.